Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. I'm Rose Orcolio Salas. My topic for today is about tournament management and officiating. So, tournament director. A tournament director is responsible for the tournament. It is the tournament director's responsibility to designate of officials and their areas of responsibility. Kailangan ang tournament director nagid siya responsibility na siya kailangan responsible gid siya no. So a player may appeal any officiating decision to the determined director or their designee the tournament director, however retain the final decision making authority while following the applicable rule in the official rule book. So tournament director na gid siya ginasunod nga mga rules or namang gyud na sa rule book, labi na sa itong first nga kuan sa USA dira man nagsugod ang dula nga pickleball. So in all USA pickleball situation tournaments, the tournament director will provide some method of identifying each team's starting server for each game. So the identification must be visible to all on court during play. Refusal to wear this identification will result in forfeit of the match. So nagid siya kailangan na sila anon kanang nga mailhan jud sa referee or sa tournament director ang player nakasuot jud og mayo nga kuan nga para mailhan nila kung kisay una nag-serve o kisay The tournament director should check the ensure that plan support, first aid, tournament volunteers, and etc. is available. The tournament director has the authority to expel any player from the tournament for misconduct. Naagid siya kanang ang tournament director na siya authority nga mapahawa sa isa ka player labi na kung naa siya na nabuhat nga mali or nakapamali ka siya or unsa ba. Tournament briefing. So before the tournament is the tournament director shall brief players and referees in unique features, abnormal local condition or hazard associated with the court. The briefing may include but are not limited to court. Distance that are not uniform, such as the distance from end line to back fins of the barriers, low ceiling, existence of overhang, court trippers, or damage that could affect the player of the ball. If possible, the player should notified in writing as part of the pre-tournament instructions. The referees shall briefed upon arrival at the venue by the tournament director or their designee. The tournament director has not implemented or impose any rule that is not provided in the USA Pickleball rule books. If the tournament director desires an exception to any rule because of physical limitation of the court or local condition, the USA Pickleball director or the officiating must grant permission before the tournament.
My report is referee's duties. The referee is responsible for all decisions related to procedural and judgment calls during the match. Players may appeal any decision of the referees to the tournament director or their design. First is the referee calls non-bowling zone infraction short service, and service foot calls. Murag instruction kibalis nag-instruction sa ang referee before mag-start. If the players or line judge make the line calls and there is a disputed line, call the players may request that the referee determine the line or call. If the referee cannot make the line call, the players or line judge call will remain. If doubles partners appeal a line call that they disagree and the referee cannot make the call, the ball will decline. Note, a player may choose to overrule in a line to their disadvantage. Spectators should not be consulted on any calls. Before each match begin, the referees must check a preparation of the court with respect to cleanliness, lighting, height of the net, court makings, and hazard. Balmurag kuan prepare sa nimo siya kung hinlo na ba or tama na ba ang mga net niya kataas. Before each match begins, the referees must the ref I no Malday check on availability and sustainability of necessary materials for the match, such as balls, score sheets, pencils, and the timing device stopwatch. Kibali murag tanaw nimo ang mga materials kung tama na ba siya tanan, complete na ba before mag-start ang kuan game. Before each match begins, the referee must meet with players of court side too before magsugod ang paan dula is ang referee is sabotong sa niya mga players. Inspect paddles of regularities. Point or approve rule modification, court abnormalities, and non-standard court. Consider that could be potential safety issues, including but not limited to court refers of seems different distances from end lines to brick fences, and spectators and their sittings. Instruct players on line calling duties of the referee, line judges, and player. Note, the requirements may be satisfied by the pre-match player instruction provided by the tournament director. Use any pair method to determine the initial selection of end, serve, receive, or defer. Ensure the starting servers for each team are wearing of the official identification. Refusal to wear the identification will result in forfeit of the match. During the rematch, that the referee must recheck the net height and position if the net is disturbed. Call the score to start each rally. Calling the score indicates to each sides that play is ready to resume. Call points after each is awarded. Approximately annotate the score sheet after each rally is completed or timeout is called. In doubles matches, call second server or second serve after the first server's team loses the rally. Call side out when appropriate. Enforce timeout procedures. Maintain player conduct conduct in USA Pickleball tournament, the referee is empowered to call verbal warning, technical warnings, technical fouls, and to forfeit a game or match based on the defined combination of technical warnings and or technical fouls. The referee may also recommend any ejection to the tournament director. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Delegene Pinaloga from BSAP 2B. This is my topic. Player line and fault call responsibilities. A non-official official play. A player called lines in their side of the court, including NTZ and the service fault. Player may call NVZ fault and serve foot foul on the point side of the court. If there is any disagreement among the players about the called foul, a replay shall occur. On the spirit of sportsmanship, players are expected to call fault on themselves as soon as the fault is called community or deleted. The fault called must happen before the next serve occurred. For non-official matters, if the player believe a player has been committed a fault, they may mention the specific fault on the players, but how no authority to enforce the fault. The final decision on the fault resolution belong to the player and illegality committed the fault. The explanation explanation to which player has been enforced authority to provide a rule 13. Official play. Players called baseline, slide, and center serve line on their side of the court. Official play with the line judge. Players called center service line on their side on court. Expect of the center serve line called player line calls are not valid in match with the judges. Expert on overall called disable their own team. See rules. Player may appeal on the line called may be on the line judge of the referee. See the rule in the rule 13F. If the line judge and the referee cannot make the line call, the rally shall be replayed. So, explanation song report is, it means like you are referring rules for official and non-official play in sports. Possible pickleball or table tennis. In non-official play, players are responsible to call the lines in the fault in their side of the court with someone explanation of the official play. Players still make some line call but have the opinion to appeal to the referee or the sequential decision. Thank you.
Line judge. The tournament director shall determine which medal matches will use line judge. Line judge are recommended but not required. Line judge will make the assigned line and foot fault calls within their jurisdiction and will signify by loudly calling out or service fault and showing the out signal outstretched arm pointing in the out of bounds direction. The next is A3. If a line judge shows the blocked or blinded signal, both hands covering the eyes, the referee can make the call immediately if they clearly saw the ball land. If the referee cannot make the call, the referee shall canvass the remaining officiating team for assist in making the call. A4. Upon appeal, if a referee overrules a line judge out call as in, a replay will occur. A5. If a player disagree with a line judge out call that benefited their team, the player may overrule the out call as in per 6D13. A replay will occur. Next is if appeals. Appeals to the referee regarding judgment calls, e.g. line calls, double bounce, etc., shall be decided by the referee. The referee may consult players or line judge to decide the outcome of the appeal. F1 in a match without line judge. If a player appeals a line call to the referee shall make a call if they clearly saw the ball land in or out. If the referee is unable to make the call, the original call will remain. If no call was made, the ball will be considered in. The last is if a referee's decision will result in a point awarded, a service loss, or a replay.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Charmelyn Magandi from BSAP 2B, Rule Interpretation. So, ang mga rules sa sport, kung dili mo sugot ang player sa decision sa referee, pwede niya ipatawag ang head referee or tournament director. Kung maayo ang decision sa referee, mawada na player og team ug usa ka timeout. Ug madawat nila ang usa ka technical warning, pero kung wala sila timeout ug maayo jud ang referee, makuha nila ang usa ka technical foul. Kung ang referee ang nagkamali ang decision, mabalik og replay ang rally kung kinahanglan. Halimbawa, sa basketball player, nagdula og gawas sa court pero dili gid foul, pwede niya ipatawag ang mas senior nga opisyal. A removal of the line judge. So kini ang mga rules sa pagtanggal sa line judge sa usa ka laro. Ang referee pwede magtanggal sa line judge based sa iyang observation o usa sa pakisayod sa mga player. Kung dili mo matuo ang referee sa mga player, kinahanglan niya konsultahon ang tournament director. Ang tournament director ang magdesisyon kung kinsa ang ipalit kung kinahanglan. So, ang player pwede mangayo sa tournament director nga tanggalon ang referee kung sila tanan mapatuo. Ang tournament director ang mag-final decision kung tanggalon ang referee. Ang tournament director magdesisyon kung kinsa ang ipuli. So, non-officiated play ang usa ka player pwede mamahimong request o referee o tournament director kung nagtuo siya ang iyang kaatbang mayroon sa usa ka rule. Ang sitwasyon dili madali mahilo na ang panag-away sa mga player. Halimbawa sa usa ka basketball game, duha ka player nag-away sa usa ka rule. Wala nila mahilo na gipahimong no nila ang referee. Ang tournament director pwede mo balos og usa ka player alang sa malain nga kinaiya nga makadaot sa torneo pinaagi sa paggamit og mga derogatory nga pulong. Halimbawa sa tennis tournament, usa ka player nag-ingon og resist nga magpulong sa iyang kaatbang. Magka-injury sa usa ka player pinaagi sa pag-abuso sa pandel o bula. Halimbawa sa table tennis tournament, usa ka player nisipa og bula sa kasuko na puruhan ang usa ka mananakay. Pagpauto o pagyawya sa usa ka tawo. Halimbawa sa badminton tournament, usa ka player nagyawya og referee human sa desisyon. Dili magpakita og best sa effort sa laro. Halimbawa sa volleyball tournament, usa ka player na nag-surrender sa ikatulong nga set tungod sa usa kapoy, wala nagpakita og paningkamot sa gawa sa injection. Ang tournament director pwede usab magpa-expel sa player gikan sa venue sa torneo.